Okay, so right now I'm here behind of the Morora Hotel, and right now I'm here with
Gabriel.
Gabriel. And you, Miss
Luisa.
Luisa. Where you come from, Miss?
Friends.
Friends. Okay, so guys, because we have some exam for our university, and we must to tell our culture side from Flores Island, especially from Manggarai, yeah, Manggarai Island, yeah. Okay, so for the first one, I will tell to you about the Warbo Felix, yeah. Okay, for the first one, this name is Warbo Felix, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, for the culture side in Warbo Felix, you can see the traditional houses, yeah. Okay, so the traditional houses has a 7 house, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so for the also another culture side, there's this one. We call chompang, yeah, chompang. So for the chompang, it's like we believe for our ancestor, and
Okay.
when they are die, so they are living there,
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
for our ancestor, yeah.
Okay.
And also for the first house, so for the guests who will going or visit there, first place they will visit this one for the first house, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so why we going there for the first house? Because we must to have is like some ceremonial before we have to adaptation with the local people there. Okay. So for the ceremony we call valu, yeah, valu.
Valu.
Yeah. So for the ceremony is made by all men there,
Okay.
all men. So before we start the ceremony, we must to give some donation. Yeah, it's like a money. Yeah. So after we give the money to the all men, so the all men is like a pray for our ancestor.
Okay.
So the mean is like to ask the protection. Yeah.
Okay.
To ask the protection for our ancestor during you stay in Warbo Felix.
Okay.
Yeah. During you stay in Warbo Felix. And also inside in the house, we put the traditional music. We call gendang and gong. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, gendang and gong. Yeah. And after we finish, it's like a ceremony. So for the local people there, it's like we must to go into this one.
Okay.
Yeah, this house. So also this house is like a homestay for us,
Okay.
or for a tourist who will visit Warbo Felix. Yeah.
Okay.
And also we overnight in this house. Yeah. And also there in Warbo Felix, we will adaptation with a local people there. Yeah.
Okay.
With the local people, we can try traditional coffee.
Okay.
Yeah, traditional coffee there. And also it's like a food, traditional food in Manggarai, yeah, especially in Warbo Felix, yeah.
Okay.
And also the activity in Warbo Felix to get there, we must to do some trekking or hiking.
Okay.
For the trekking we do is like a 2 hour, yeah.
Okay.
And from here, from Laban Bajo to get there, it takes 3 hour. If
Okay.
we are ride by motorcycle, yeah.
Okay.
But if we are going with a car, it takes 4 hour approximately. Yeah,
Okay.
it takes a long time. And by the way, maybe you have some question for this one for Warbo Felix before I continue to second or another place.
Yes, it's clear.
It's clear,
Thank
yeah. Okay, so for the second destination, this one, Todo Felix, yeah, same. It's like Warbo Felix, yeah.
Okay.
And this one for the located in Manggarai, Central Manggarai or Ruteng, Satar Mese, still in Nusa Tenggara province. Yeah?
Okay.
But the difference, Todo Felix and Warbo Felix, for the traditional houses, just has 1, 2, 3, 6. Yeah? 6 houses. But there is also has a chompang. Same I like explained to you before. Our ancestor, we believe they are living there after they are died. Yeah?
Okay.
And also, there is long time ago for the traditional music, you know, the old people, our ancestor made the traditional music or gendang. They made from the skin, woman skin.
Okay.
Yeah, woman skin, and we call rueng. Yeah, we
Okay.
call rueng. And we put the gendang. We put this one in the house. Yeah,
Okay.
this one. This one we call Todo Felix. And also in Todo Felix, we can find some. It's like we call kain. Yeah, kain. Yeah, kain. It's like a traditional. It's like traditional clothes from
Okay.
Manggarai. Yeah. And this one we call Mbaruniang. Yeah. Our language we call Mbaruniang or traditional houses. Okay. So from here from Laban Bajo to going to Todo Felix, it takes a 5 hour. It's too
Okay.
far from here. Yeah. And also, if we are going by car, it's 5 hours. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, 5 hours. Yeah, and also there is part the traditional houses. Yeah. And also this one, the local people living inside this house. Yeah.
Okay.
And so when we go in there, or if some visitors wanna go in there, we must to use the traditional, what I wanna say, yeah, uniform from
Okay.
Todo Felix. Yeah, it's like to respect their
Okay.
culture.
Okay.
Yeah. And also, I think that's all about Todo Felix. Maybe you have some question before I continue to the next place.
No, it's
It's
okay.
clear. Okay. So wait, this one is near from here. Yeah. Okay. For this one, spider web.
Yes.
Okay, you can see it's like a spider web. Yeah.
Yes.
But we call lodok. Lodok.
Okay.
Yeah. They're located in Chancar Felix near from Ruteng town. Yeah. But from here it take 3 hours by motorbike. Yeah. Okay. For this one, you can see this one, the central, the culture side. This one central. So this one is like to make this one is like by all men there. It's
Okay.
like all men. It means it's like he. What I wanna say, yeah. The all man he divide for the local people because for this one.
Yes.
Yeah, for this one has by one local people, just like the line, yeah. So the limited just this one,
Okay.
and yeah, okay, this one. So the symbol of this rice field, why they are made like this? Because the symbol is like for harmonies, harmonies for the local people who living there, yeah,
Okay.
who living in Lingkomeler or Lingko Chancar, yeah. And also they are made, it's like the spider web, yeah.
Okay.
Because for the line always together, yeah.
Yes.
So the means it's like a harmony for a people who living there, yeah.
Okay.
I think that's all about the lodok, yeah, or spider web. Maybe you also have some question.
No, it's good.
It's clear also, yeah.
Yes.
Wait, still two place.
Okay.
Okay, for this one, Liang Bua Cave, yeah. Okay, this one also is like a most place and a lot of visitors. Right now they are visit Liang Bua, yeah.
Okay.
And long time ago, the old people or our ancestor is like found a hobbit. You know hobbit?
Okay,
Yeah.
yes.
And for the height for the size, just 1 meter.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 meter. And they are found is like inside of the cave. Yeah.
Okay.
And but for the our government, they are put for the original fossil.
Okay.
They are put in Jakarta in museum, not
Okay.
here. But they are made is like a fake fossil. Yeah.
Ah, okay.
But still same, but
Okay.
it's fake, yeah. They put in museum near from Liang Bua Cave.
Okay.
So if somebody or someone going to visit Liang Bua Cave, and if they are want to see the fossil, just going to museum, and they are will see it's like the original, yeah,
Okay.
original
Original is in the museum.
Yeah, in museum in Jakarta, not here, yeah.
Okay.
And also for right now, a lot of people, yeah, going and visit Liang Bua Cave.
Okay.
And this one just it's like a culture site in Manggarai, yeah, especially in Ruteng town. Because from here is too far, but from Ruteng town just take 1 hour.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because in Flores Island, for especially in Manggarai, we have 3 regions. For this one, Manggarai Barat, and the capital Labuan Bajo,
Okay.
and our capital Ruteng town,
Okay.
Manggarai Central Manggarai,
Okay.
and the capital is Ruteng town, and the last one Manggarai Timur is Manggarai, and the
Timur.
capital and the capital is Borong, yeah.
Okay.
So right now we are living in Labuan Bajo or Manggarai Barat, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, for the located this one in Ruteng town in Central Manggarai, yeah, for
Okay.
this one. Wait. Oh, it's too.
Excuse me. Timor is included in Flores.
Yeah, in
Okay.
Flores Island.
Okay.
But this one in Manggarai Barat or Labuan Bajo.
Okay.
Yeah. And from here to get there, just take 10 minutes from here. It's not too
Okay.
far. The name is Warloka Pesisir. Yeah.
Okay.
Warloka Pesisir. And the culture side there, there has like a table. You know a
Okay.
table, but the table is like made from a stone.
Okay.
Yeah, it's natural, not
Oh,
from
okay.
not from made by human. It's natural, yeah. And also there is, you can see the behind of the place. We call Kenangan Hill because from the hill we can see the beautiful panoramic. Yeah,
Yes, yes.
it's like this one. We call Selat Molo. Yeah, Selat
okay.
Molo. And behind this has a Felix. We call Rinca Felix. Rinca Felix. Yeah, and also we can find the Komodo there.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
in Rinca Felix. Yeah, and also long time ago for this place is like for a local people there it's like a traditional market. Yeah.
Okay.
So for some people it's like if they are wanna going to change, it's like for the fishermen they are going to the hill. It's like to change their fish. Yeah. With
Okay.
local people who come from mountain.
Okay.
Yeah. Because for the local people who living beside of the beach or the island or the island,
Okay.
for the job or their work, especially their work as a fisherman. Yeah.
Okay.
But for the people who living, it's like in the mountain, their work as a farmer. Yeah.
Okay.
Farmer. Okay, I think that's all about the Warloka, and
Okay.
that's all. Maybe you have some question before we end for this record.
No, it's
No?
okay. It's clear.
It's clear?
Very clear.